Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pasta without a spiralizer. Start by trimming ends, then slice lengthwise into thin ribbons with a sharp knife, pat them dry on a towel, and toss gently with olive oil so they don't steam. Heat a skillet to medium, add garlic, then sauté ribbons briefly until just tender. Finish with salt, lemon, and herbs for a light, satisfying dish. In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pasta without a spiralizer. Begin by selecting firm zucchinis and a sharp knife, then slice them into uniform ribbons for even cooking. Lay ribbons on paper towels and press gently to remove excess moisture so they sear instead of steam. Mince garlic, zest lemon, and chop herbs while the pan heats. This prep saves time and improves texture and flavor in every bite. In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pasta without a spiralizer. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep your zucchini pasta, try leak-proof containers for easy storage and no spills. They make leftovers hassle-free and save countertop drama. They snap shut, stack neatly, and keep sauces separate until you're ready to eat. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pasta without a spiralizer. Heat the skillet to medium, add olive oil, then toss in the ribbons and move them gently to avoid breaking. Cook only until they're tender crisp, usually 1 to 3 minutes, and add garlic near the end for fragrance. Brighten with lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and torn herbs. Serve immediately so the texture stays fresh and lively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.